Have you ever thought that the answer to that nagging, burning feeling in your chest might just be tucked away in your kitchen pantry? Well, today we're going to explore all the buzz around honey as a possible remedy for acid reflux.
That feeling, that uncomfortable burning sensation creeping up your chest, you know what I'm talking about. It's acid reflux. And it really makes you wonder, could something as simple and natural as honey actually help? That's the big question we're digging into today.
So, to really get to the bottom of this, we first have to understand what's actually going on inside our bodies when we feel that burn. At its most basic level, it's pretty simple, really. Acid reflux is what happens when the very strong acid that's supposed to stay in your stomach decides to travel back up into your esophagus. And yeah, that unwelcome trip is exactly what causes that classic heartburn feeling. Okay, so where does honey come into the picture? Well, this sweet stuff has been used in all sorts of traditional medicine for literally centuries. So let's break down the specific properties that might just make it a real ally in the fight against acid reflux. From what we know, it seems to boil down to four key things. We're talking about its ability to coat your throat, a potential neutralizing effect, some serious antibacterial power, and its ability to calm down inflammation. Let's take a look at each one. First up, it's just pure physics. You know how thick and sticky honey is, right? Well, that means it doesn't just get washed away. It can actually line your esophagus and your stomach, creating this kind of protective barrier that physically helps keep that acid where it belongs. And then there's the chemistry. Now, this might sound a little weird because honey itself is a bit acidic, but some people believe that once you ingest it, it actually has an alkalizing effect, and that could help neutralize some of that excess stomach acid, basically turning down the temperature on that burn. We also can't forget that honey is famous for its antibacterial properties. By helping to manage the bad bacteria in your gut, it just helps create a healthier, more balanced digestive system overall. And a happy gut is usually less prone to problems like reflux. And finally, this is a big one: inflammation. If you have acid reflux all the time, it can really irritate and even damage the lining of your esophagus. Some studies, especially the ones on manuka honey, suggest that its powerful anti-inflammatory properties could help soothe that irritation and even protect the tissue. All right, so we've covered the why.